This week on Entertainment Recap, one of our own made an appearance on WizKid's Made in Lagos store. Rihanna is now the right excellent Robin Rihanna Fenty. Kymani Marley could play Brother Bob in an upcoming biopic. These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Said I don't wanna leave you in the morning, but I gotta leave you now. Yeah. Then on the see WizKid bring up Koffee on his final day of his tour at the O2 Arena in London. The Essence Nigerian singer WizKid has his tour dubbed Made in Lagos. On the final day at the O2 Arena in the UK, he shared his stage with Burna Boy, CK, Crept, and Conan, Thames, Tat Iwar, and our homegirl, Koffee. Based on the clips I've seen, the show was lit. Here's a peek of Koffee's appearance.
Make some noise for Koffee! London! Say what?
So we are coming over. Blessings we are reaping, but we boys now. Hey, London when I rise up. So we give thanks that we needed it. We have to give thanks that we. Sing, 2, 3. Hey. We thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the. Blessings for all of them. So but I go to the prince to take off with it. So one time this sit down in a class and then I only said
There is even a big fuss about something he did on stage while performing with Thames. Can't say I didn't tell you. Go look. Big things happening in Barbados. We must congratulate Barbados on becoming a republic on their day of independence, November the 30th. It was a show. What was even more fantastic and surprising was the announcement of Robin Fenty, better known to the world as Rihanna, as the second female national heroine. The 33-year-old, world-famous songbird, fashion designer, actress, and businesswoman was conferred the special honor moments after Her Excellency, the Most Honorable Dame Sandra Mason, was installed as Barbados' first president and local head of state. Riri appeared around 12:43 a.m. and Prime Minister Mia Mottley announced she would become the second living national heroine of Barbados. The other being Sir Garfield Sobers, the great West Indies cricketing legend. Rihanna, who was recently listed by Forbes magazine as a billionaire, had been specially invited to the ceremony. Back in 2017, Westbury New Road, where Rihanna grew up, was renamed Rihanna Drive. Look, when PM Mottley dropped the bombshell, Rihanna placed her hands on her chest in awe. Rihanna, already an ambassador for Barbados, was decked out in a long, flowing bronze-colored dress with braids. Congrats, Rihanna, or should we say, the right excellent Robin Rihanna Fenty. Everybody up now? Give them an update. And yes, it's an update indeed. Massacre's album 438 is out now. And I just had to tell you all about it. On the album, you can hear talent such as Popcorn, Steph London, Sean Paul, and Dexter Daps. The album has 16 tracks, and when I tell you, they all have an overload of creativity. Trust and believe. Songs such as Spain, featuring Popcorn, King, Love Story, a personal favorite of mine. Another Ending Love Story, yes, and a few others. Go listen to Genocide Massacre 438 if you want a vibe, and guess what? It's a mixture of emotions and a good vibe. Still on the topic of albums, dancehall artist Konshens is out with his new album dubbed Red Rain. I wanna spend all my money on you. Let me pay for it, yeah? Pay for It featuring dancehall queen Spice is on his 18-track album and it has a vibe. Other artists on Konshens Red Rain are Davido, Steph London, Dre Island, Russian, Kaylin Castle, Kymani Icon, and Jesse Royal. Go check out Konshens Red Rain too. It has a good listen.
Let me pay for it. Let me pay for it.
I don't know about you, but I know about me. I love me some Kymani Marley, especially in a movie. And this one, if he gets to play his dad, Bob Marley, would be awesome. Wait, have you seen Kimani in Shoutout or One Love? If not, go pray. The name, date, and cast members are yet to be released. But since the release of a casting call, fans have been rooting for one of Bob Marley's sons or even a grandson to play the role of the music icon, who died in 1981 at age 36. Kimani told one of our local newspapers that it would be a dream come true for him to play his dad in a movie. His brother, Ziggy Marley, also noted whoever is eventually selected for the role will quickly understand how serious this production is to the Marleys. In other movie news, Kimani will for sure team up with Major Hype and Crime Minister for the film Vendetta.
Trying to track I down. They say they want to bring I in guilty for the life of a deputy.
This week's new music features Silk Boss with Nalive, Yaksta with Hype and Bruk, Chronicler with Can't Change, Ding Dong Safari, Pataskeng with New Day.
Me know me wrong, me baby girl, but me I tell her me know why you leave me, baby. Me want a girl, me have the only one to prove a real me lady. And I see man dog, when I'm gonna call the phone, I'm love her to my heart. I'm feel for as a chrome and go fire cup dash you, but they left on a mark.
Big and worthless, and sharp and cutlass. No serve no purpose, all you put a dead. Have a work and still have a bed. It hurt me, trust me. Can't me no like it. Me get a foreigner and come back a beg. Scourge millions, have no for put your head. Beg, oh, must be bright and face it. Bro, you get your time and waste it. So nobody come watch my PS. Some I wanna just type and lazy.
Them not do it, them not pray. Them not reach to the youths in the streets and I talk about peace. Look for cocaine and start low weed. Give we fire and money start bring greed. We learn for fight first before we start blaze. People let bust before we can read. And that's something what we proud of. But dog, me no soon to come round it.
Silence it. Y'all them a ball for the rooftop trip. Heartbeat stop if your lip them slip. No freedom of speech when you're talking. Alright, watch this. We are on this. Y'all in the bathroom, them a practice. Man no fi sit down on the yard back face. After 1, 2, 3, everybody try. Alright then, dip, check it, really nip. Nah, touch a girl then skip, dip, check it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to this dolly. Happy birthday to you. Yes, this week's birthday shout out goes to Dancing Rebel. Hey sister girl, happy birthday to you and continue to do great work. And as we say on this show, you are gonna just big up you. One slim dolly. Woo, then me sing, you know. This week, you know, me sing, you know, my voice ring, you know. But on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at pbcjamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy Collection each and every week, I tell you. They don't miss a beat. For my earrings at the Ear Candy Collection. on all social media platforms. And you see all of them people are right over here, so you are gonna big them up too. And guess what? Always and forever, keep safe and big up to you.